Okay. Now let me write down the problems. I have shared you the problem on limiting reagent. That also you can go through. Okay, if you are able to solve. Let me write the one problem. The question number one, they are saying question one. Question one is, what mass of hydrogen peroxide calculate the calculate the amount of CO2 CO2 required to required to react 174 gram of carbon monoxide. So amount of what they are asking, calculate the amount of CO2 required to react 174 gram of carbon monoxide. Okay, this is what the little bit different type of question if you see. Mhm. Let me find out the problems like that. Please wait for this question. I'll come back with this question, but that question is a little bit different type. Here question is there. 56 gram N2 react with what gram they are saying, react with 30 gram 30 gram H2 to form NH3 to form NH3. Okay, this is calculate amount of NH3 form. Calculate amount of NH3 formed. NH3 formed. Also find limiting reagent. Also find limiting reagent. Okay. So let us see how can you do this type of problem. Here they are saying that is 30 gram you are having the, what is there? This is the hydrogen. This hydrogen is how many? 30 gram we are having. Now another things also we are having. What is the other things which we are available? That is 56 gram nitrogen and 30 gram is we are having the hydrogen. This one 30 gram. So first step if you are writing, firstly you write down what is the valence equation. Valence equation is understood. Here the solution if you are writing, that is here is N2 plus H2. Here is this is going to be 2NH3 because here nitrogen is 2, so I multiplied by 2. Now you can check it out, that is hydrogen is 3 to the 6, so you can multiply by 3. Okay, now what we can do is step number 1. If I am going step number 1, so number of moles we are calculating. Number of moles means given mass upon molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass. So given mass how much is there? 56 gram. What is the molar mass of N2? Can you tell me, NASA? Molar mass of N2?
28.
28 gram per mole. Thank you so much. So here is 28. Now, if you talk about the hydrogen, if you are calculating for the hydrogen, let us see how what will be there. This is also given by mass over molar mass. Here is 30 gram. If you can divide this with how much molar mass of H2? H2 will be, that is 2. Yes or no? So here it is coming 15 and here it is coming 2. Okay. Now step number 2. Step number 2. We are going to find out the limiting reagent. Limiting reagent. So we need to divide by the coefficient 2 upon 1, because here if you go here nothing is there, it means 1, and here coefficient is 3. So what we can do here, 15 divided by 3. So it is coming 1 and this is coming how much? 5. 5. So which is limiting reagent, Nessa? Can you tell me? Which is limiting reagent?
The nitrogen.
Thank you so much. So N2 is, this is going to be limiting reagent. Okay. This is the limiting reagent. Now go with the step number 3. Step number 3, can you guess what is the step number 3? Step number 3 number 3, all reagent we find. Step number 4, we need to use that one. And step number 5, compare according to equation, and next one according to available. So see, here if I am comparing according to equation, let me tell you, if I will compare according to equation, so here how many mole N2 giving 2 mole NH3. So according to equation, you may find little bit difficulty. According to equation, 1 mole, whatever coefficient are there, that is mole. 1 mole N2 gives 1 mole N2 gives how much? 3 mole, 3 mole H2. Is it okay? 1 mole N2 gives 3 mole H 3 wait. 1 mole N2 gives 2 mole NH3. 2 mole NH3. Is it okay? See here,
Mm-hmm.
that is 2 is there, here 1. Okay, so this is up now according to available. According to available. A by C means according to available. How much limiting reagent are available? This is 2. Yes, yeah, no. 20,
Mm-hmm.
56 gram means 2 mole. Okay. So according to available. So 1 mole is giving 2 mole. So therefore 2 mole, 2 mole N2 gives how much? So 1 mole giving 2 mole. So 2 into 2 mole NH3. Yes, yeah, no. If 1 mole
Mm-hmm.
N2 gives 2 mole NH3, so 2 mole give, that is 4 mole NH3. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now go for the amount. For amount, what we can do for amount, if you are calculating, so mole is equal to, what is mole is equal to given mass over molar mass, right? So given mass is amount, given mass is supposed to be amount, given mass means amount. So here you see, given mass is equal to mole into, it will come mole into molar mass. Is it okay? So mole is 4. What is molar mass of NH3, Nyasa? What is molar mass of NH3?
17.
17. 70. Okay. So how much is going to come? How much is going to come? What will be our answers? 4 into 17. 68 gram. Okay. This much gram of NH3 will produce. 68 gram. Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Can you understand this one?
Yes.
Okay. Can I erase this?
Yes.
Okay. Let me write down the another question. I'm writing, you start calculating immediately. Okay. They are saying calculate amount of MgS formed when 2 gram 2 gram Mg reacts with 2 gram sulfur. Also find, they are saying also find limiting reagent. Limiting reagent. So how can you do the solution? You see, so that is Mg plus S, simple. It is going to give, that is Mgs. This is the simple equation. Mg plus S, Mgs. Magnesium, you are knowing what is atomic number of magnesium, NASA?
Okay. Uh, 12.
12 is atomic number, G. So 12 multiplied by 20,
Oh,
12
yeah.
multiplied by 2, that is 24. Sulfur,
24.
sulfur 32.
Sulfur 32.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So can you try, or should I solve?
I can try. So it'll
Okay,
be
please.
so it's one mass, so it's one mole of magnesium, so it's 24. It's
Hmm.
1 mole makes 1 mole,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
then you
Firstly, you
divide.
need to calculate, Nanyasa. Have you calculated the mole?
Oh
Have you
no, okay, so given
calculated?
is 2 grams, so you'll do 2 divided by
Acha,
24.
you guess, Nanyasa, you guess which can be limiting reagent. You guess which can be limiting reagent. You just guess. By not solving, not calculating, just guess which can be. We will try to see which can be limiting reagent. Just guess, Mg or S. Just tell
I
me.
think sulfur.
You are saying sulfur. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's try to solve. Let's try to solve. So given mass is there 2 gram, molar mass is 24. Here is 2 gram and here is how many? 32. So that is you calculated well, because the numerator is same, denominator here is, this is what,
Yeah.
more and less. So this is what is going to be limiting reagent. So that is you understood this one thing. Limiting reagent is this one. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to find out the limiting reagent. Let me see. Mole, you firstly let me calculate how many are there. It is coming. How much is coming? It is coming. Uh, 2 by 24. It is 0.83, and the another one is, okay, another way is coming 0.062. Now the limiting reagent, that is step number two. Step number two. Both if you are dividing, that is 0.83 divided by 1 and 0.062 divided by 1. So this is coming 0.062 and this is coming 0.83. So this is the least one. This is the least one. Yes or no? This is least. So it is going to be your limiting reagent. Now you also do the calculation simultaneously and tell me. Now according to equation, if you are going according to equation, so what you are going to find, 1 mole sulfur gives 1 mole, what it is going, 1 mole mgs, 1 mole sulfur gives 1 mole mgs. Now according to available, how much available is there? So 0.83 mole, 0 point, this is the available, yes, yeah, no? No, 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 sorry, it's not the available. Which one available? We have to take this one available. So 0 point, which one is available? So this is limiting reagent, 0.62 mole sulfur gives 1 mole. Up to here,
Yeah.
is it okay?
Yes,
Hello?
it's okay. It's okay.
For the amount, for the amount, if you are going for amount, so what we can do the for amount, so mole is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is called amount, given mass is amount only. So what we can do, that is amount is equal to, if we are writing amount is equal to, what will be, that is mole into molar mass. So mole is already you calculate 0.062. Molar mass of Mg, how much will be there? Mg plus S. So 6, 4 to 6 and 3 to 5, 56. So how much it is going to come, Nyasa?
One second. 3.472. Did you hear? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Totally disconnecting. Did you find the answers? Did you find the answers?
Yeah, I got 3.472.
Yeah, thank you very much. That is the correct one. Now, can I give you one more problem?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me write down here. 80, here they are saying 80 gram H2 are reacted. 80 gram H2 are reacted with, they are saying with 80 gram of O2. 80 gram, they are saying H2 are reacted with 80 gram O2 to form H2O. To form what they are forming? To form H2O. Find the limiting reagent and find the limiting reagent and mass of H2O formed. Mass of H2O formed. This is. So will you try or should I do? Will you try or should I do?
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay, okay.
Oxygen is the limiting reactant,
That is okay. Limiting reagent is you are saying oxygen. That is very good. Very good.
and mass of H2O is 45 grams of H2O.
You are saying H2O 5 mole, not the gram. It is the mole,
No,
not
no,
the
no,
gram.
mole. Oh, okay.
Hmm. Now you need to find out the moles.
Okay, because it said mass of H2O formed.
Hmm.
2.5 moles.
No, no, no. You are getting confused, I think. You calculated the moles of H2O, yes, yeah, no? You just said that in moles of H2O. How many moles you got? Moles of H2O?
I
5
got
moles. 5 moles
2.5.
is
2.5.
2.5. Okay, that's okay. 2.5. But that is according to equation you go na. Okay, let me see. Not 2.5. It cannot be 2.5. Okay, let me tell you. See, we are having H2 plus O2. It is going to give H2O. So if you are oxygen 2, so multiply by 2, and here will be 2. Okay, 2H2O. So if you calculated the moles, what is that is given mass over molar mass? So 80 by 2, and here it is going to be 80 by, it is going to be 32. Okay. So if you are dividing this one, if you are dividing, so you might get how many moles you are going to get. Here it is going to get 40 mole. Here